I'm Thomas Ploski. In this video, I'm going to talk more about the point node, creating variables, and offline programming. One thing to emphasize is that with each node, if you want to delete it, just double right click and click yes. Okay, so the point has multiple features. Move pattern is adjusting the type of move that you're doing. So move J is the fastest path between 2 points, and that's not always necessarily a straight line. Move L is the shortest path between 2 points, and that is a straight line. You can also adjust the speed of your move and isolate in the X, Y, Z directions. The delayer var node is typically used as a wait command. You can delay by a millisecond timescale, but you can also create variables and update their values. Go to the Variable tab, give your variable a name.
You can create a variable of the following types: an integer, a floating point number, or a Boolean value.
Once you've created your variable, right-click on the node, and it should show up. If you have multiple, you can choose. Give it an initial value and an operation. For ints, you can do a +1 or a -1. It can be an int, then click Save Var, float, or bool. If we run this program, the value should update every half second. Okay, let's talk about offline programming. Say you're not connected to your robot, but you want to test out some logic. Let's add a point, a delayer, and another point. Let's give this one a name, P1. And P2. Remember to right-click on the point and assign its value. Okay, so if we go to initialize, our current robot ID is 39, and that's because we're connected to this robot. If you go to this button right here, the wrench and screwdriver, and click on Virtual Robot, click Open, select Z-Arm 2140, 11 in, 11 out. Now wait until you see the I/O come up and the position. And don't click anything else, just click out of it. For your robot ID, click 0, and then initialize. Now if I click Run, the program should run through without moving the robot that I'm connected to. Goes to point 1, to our delayer, point 2. It's going through. So that's a useful tool if you're not near the robot and you want to test out some logic, or if you have an idea of what you're going to do and you want to get your basic block diagram built before actually plugging into the robot. So yeah, it's very useful. That's about it for this video.